How to create cascading lists from Excel documents and link them to attributes in Esko's WebCenter. First, log in as an admin and navigate to the admin panel. Lists will be available under the attributes dropdown. If you have a warning that says the project or template list manager does not exist, first we need to create this project that we can upload an Excel document to. I'll navigate to my templates and just create a new one called list manager. You can also do this as a project as well. Once I created this, I'll just go back to my lists page and I can see the error went away, and now I can actually click on the list manager button. I like to keep my list manager clean, so I'm going to create two folders, one for my lists, which will be my actual Excel documents, and one for the log files for WebCenter. Navigate to that list folder. Here in Excel I have my list with multiple columns and rows. So what we're going to be working with today is category, brand, product, and variant. Once I have that list, I'm going to just drag and drop upload to WebCenter. You can see that my file is master data XLS. Navigate back to my list page and select new list. I'm going to keep my list name exactly the same. And then I can select the document that's available in the project. You should only see the XLS documents available. For sheet name, I saw that in my Excel file my sheet name was master. If you type the right sheet name in, it should automatically bring up the following fields. So we can choose to flush the existing list before updating the list if it's being replaced by new data. So if you're updating a list and you don't want old contents, this option will clean it out. Database username and password are required when deleting from the list, and then where the log file goes. So we created a folder called logs. You can choose to use the built-in database user to create this table, or you'll need your SQL Server database user and password. So I'm going to use that information, and then I'm going to create a new table for storing the data. I can see when I typed in my sheet, it automatically brought all my columns from my Excel file and my sheet master. If you do not see this, you might want to go back and verify your sheet name. So I'm going to create list. Looks like I had success. I should be able to click on master data, and at the bottom, show list data. Now I can see all the contents of my Excel file. So let's link them to attributes. First, I'm going to go create some new attributes. So I'm going to need category, brand, product, and variant. Always recommended to click the attribute is also task specification option. Now I'll go create a new attribute category. Edit this attribute category, use grid view, remove the top header bar, and let's add all of these items. You can now select multiples and add them at one time. Let's quickly save this. Right now I can see that nothing is linked to my attribute fields, so I'm going to select an attribute. For restrict values, I'm going to choose list, and now I can choose my master data and the column that I need. I'll do this for each one. I can see in the preview now my list is linked to the contents of my Excel sheet. I'll add a couple more columns just for easy viewing. I'm going to go back into my project templates and create a new template. Start a new one. Let's call this parent program. I'm going to define that attribute category to the template. Now I can exit, create a new project, select the parent program, and now down below in my attributes field, I can see that I have my category. So if I select beverage, It's only going to show me my brand, product, and variant for beverage. As you select each value, it will cascade down only the available values. If I need to reset it, I can select advanced and reset. Now I can choose healthcare, and I can see there's only one option for healthcare in here. So that's how you can easily upload an Excel document, create a new list in WebCenter, and link them to attributes.